It's your all-in-one creative hub. Welcome to the world of Creality. 5 minutes to unbox your first printer. That's it. Everything's ready. From inspiring creative partners to ultimate productivity powerhouses. Open Creality Cloud app to get inspired or explore millions of printable models. You can also create your own 3D model with AI. Creality RFID filaments make everything much easier. Colorful filaments elevate every single print. Nexbie 3D printed shoes, built for all-day comfort. Ecosystem products deliver a seamless workflow that empowers every maker. One maker system for every idea.